the next part of the phenylalanine and tyrosine metabolism, the disorders of the phenylalanine and tyrosine metabolism. In this video, we will discuss about the albinism and the Parkinson's disease. Albinism. This is due to the inborn error with the generalized lack of melanin synthesis. If there is defect in melanin synthesis, then this disorder occurs. This is the autosomal recessive disorder. The possible causes of albinism are following. First is the lack of enzyme tyrosinase. What is the function of tyrosinase? Tyrosinase catalyzes the tyrosine into the dopa, then dopaquinone, leukodopachrome, then finally black polymerization leads to black melanin. And in a similar way, red melanin. If there is a lack of enzyme tyrosinase, then tyrosine cannot be converted into the melanin and albinism occur. Second cause is the decrease in the melanosomes of the melanocytes. Melanosomes are the melanin secreting cells. Third is the impairment in the melanin polymerization. If this step is blocked, then also albinism occurs. Fourth is the lack of protein in the melanosomes. Fifth is the limitation of the substrate. If substrate, that is tyrosine, is not available, then also melanin occurs. Sixth is the presence of the inhibitors of tyrosinase. Second disorder is the Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is due to the decreased production of the dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, and this disease is due to the degeneration of the certain parts of brain like the substantia nigra and the locus coeruleus. Characteristics of Parkinson's disease: shaking palsy, muscular rigidity, resting tremors. This is the main characteristic of the Parkinson's disease, the resting tremors, expressionless face, lethargy, involuntary movements. Now, what is the treatment of the Parkinson's disease? We cannot give the dopamine directly because it cannot enter the brain. Dopamine cannot enter the brain, so its administration is of no use. Now, what is the treatment? Then treatment is the levodopa or L-dopa. It is used in the treatment of the Parkinson's disease. Levodopa is decarboxylated to dopamine, which alleviates the symptoms of disorder. levodopa डिकार्बोक्सिलेट होकर फिर डोपामीन में चेंज हो जाता है और फिर इसकी कमी को खत्म कर देता है. थैंक्स.